All right, so we got the basin put in. So this job had some things going that we had to address, right? Whole bunch of trees, got the trees out, got the stumps out. We got the basin put in. You know, I might adjust this basin a little bit. I might take it just a little further out this way. You know, as you see, there's a window, so you're like really right center of the window. So as soon as they look out, they can see it. I might bring it up just a little bit more, but also what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut back and make a shelf so I can put my gravel a little further out. Cut back, and try to get some aqua blues to align this thing. And then we're going to place a spear on here, and then we're going to do Mexican beach pebbles. Okay, it's going to look really nice. I'm going to cut some of this back, get it real nice and flat so we don't want to cut it back too flat. We still want to angle it so when that water and that drip comes down, it will let the water go right back straight into the basin. Okay, I got to put a cap on our hole on the side because somebody drilled a hole on the side. So as you can see, these cinder blocks are all sideways and everything, so we're going to take those out, readjust those. I probably end up taking out that first layer of rock right here because as you can see, the sidewalk is way lower than that, so it's almost pointless to have that there. But we'll see when we're getting done. But we got our basin dug. Very hard job. There was a lot of soil. As you can see, it was on an angle, so it was real difficult to get it level. And then we took out a couple of rows just to kind of give it a little bit more natural curve. I'll probably take out this boulder right here, or this block right there. But I'll show you guys some before pictures of this thing. So we're rocking and rolling. On this side, we're going to do a spear. We're going to do a Spillway, 2 Spillway bowls. They went to Aquascape. They said, oh man, I really love the one in Aquascape. So they said we can do that exact thing. So we're going to take out this block. I'm going to cut this block. And hopefully we can fit it right here in this cavity right here. And then we're going to do a pump vault with 2 or 3 aqua blocks, depending on our capacity. We got large aqua blocks on the way. We're still waiting on them. So once we get those, we're going to excavate for that. We're going to have this spillway going right into here. Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll probably put another spillway, you know, right over where this line is. So somewhere in this area will be another spillway on stands. We'll remove these and put stands on those. But all in all, a very fun project. This is probably the last install for the year. I got to check on my other buddies. Maybe they need some help. We'll go help them out. Big shout out to Roy Dahl. If it wasn't for his training last year, I wouldn't really have all the confidence that I have now to tackle bigger projects like this. So we're going to see if we got to go over there and help him out down in Carroll Stream at Aqua Landscapes. So all in all, very fun project. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Aaron Fawcett with Proud Ponds, and I love my job.